Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we have listed the top 6 of the best 4K projectors in 2021 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So let's get started. Our list begins with the Samsung SP-LSP7TFAXZA. This Samsung Premier projector will let you enjoy large images from short distances in your home theater. It delivers dramatic home cinema viewing that's just like being in a theater. And with precise color accuracy and incredible contrast up to 120-inch screen space, it's HDR10 certified for realistic, vibrant viewing. You can enjoy perfectly lit shows, movies, and games with 2200 lumens of brightness to catch every detail. And with the cinema quality sound, it can match the stunning display with 30 watts of virtual 2.2 channel audio built in. Installing Samsung Premier is simple. It is designed to sit right by the wall with easily adjustable screen sizes. And with a premium Kvadrat fabric finish, it can look beautiful from every angle. In all, with a 4K picture quality and extensive sound, this Premier can bring you the home cinema experience for any living room. Next up is the Vava 4K. While some truly high-end models, like the Epson LS100, offer up to 4000 nits, the Vava projector is capable of bright and vivid images. It boasts a peak brightness of 2500 lumens, which is what we'd expect for this price point. And the HD images look rich and detailed, even on the larger end of the 80 to 150-inch picture. The ports at the rear include 3 HDMI 2.0 ports, with one support eARC for connecting an external soundbar. It also has audio input and output ports to connect to a wider audio setup or to use the Vava projector as a speaker from another device source. And with an integrated 60-watt soundbar, you will get some decent heft and detail for a projector. And with Bluetooth connectivity, you can use those 60-watt speakers to play music from other sources like smartphones. At just $2,799, this Vava 4K can be the least expensive display available. And with a maximum image size of 150 inches, your films and sports matches can go super size while retaining a quality picture. Coming up next is the BenQ TK800M. This latest DLP projector delivers an impressive 4K screen on a budget. By design, it looks like a typical single-chip DLP projector with a lens offset to the right as you face the front and an air vent over on the left. Its chassis is made with hard plastic that feels solid, so you can move it around without worrying that it will suddenly fall apart. Thankfully, this TK800 has auto-correction for making it easy to install and set up whenever you need some big screen action. And for connectivity, it has 2 HDMI inputs, PC/VGA input, analog audio in and out, 2 USB ports, and more. Its innovative new 4K color wheel is designed to deliver 92% of the Rec. 709 color space with improved precision, and its 120 Hz refresh rate will help eliminate image blur to provide an accurate and bright image. With its BenQ's Auto HDR color rendition technology, it delivered an HDR with greater brightness and contrast range than SDR. And, along with that, it also adds some image optimization features to bring out all the detail in a 4K source. In all, this BenQ TK800 is an excellent projector that delivers enjoyable big screen action for those on a limited budget. Now, onto the Optoma CinemaX P2. This projector is stylishly finished in matte white with a complementary gray fabric grille. It also sits close to the screen, so it doesn't really look like a traditional projector. Its white case has an indentation in the top where the lens sits, and the front houses a light gray angled grille that covers the 40-watt 2-channel 4-speaker array. And on the back, it has two HDMI 2.0 imports, an HDCP 2.2, two USB 2.0 ports, an optical out, 3.5mm audio out with an Ethernet connection. Its single button on the top left turns the projector on and off, while all the other controls are relegated to the remote. And its sleek design looks attractive on the top of a table, while it is significantly deeper than a TV. Instead of a traditional lamp, it uses one of Optoma's dual-core laser light engines. And with it IP5X/IP6X certified, you can keep the optical engine free of dust and moisture. And it can last up to 30,000 hours in eco mode and 20,000 in normal before reaching half brightness. It is 3D compatible using DLP's own 3D link system, and with it built around a single-chip DLP 4K device allied to a laser light engine, it can translate the images to pin-sharp pictures and excellent color vibrancy. Next is the LG HU85LA. This LG 85LA is arguably a groundbreaking product. It comes at 26.8 inches wide, 13.7 inches deep, and 5 inches tall, which is actually pretty compact. And its big rectangle is super modern looking, while the white color scheme with the gray speaker covering offers an elegant look. On the front, it has a fabric covering which covers the built-in speaker and status lights for the projector. And on top, it has adjustment for the projector's focus. Its LG Magic Remote that comes with the projector serves like a Wii remote, allowing the user to point at the display to make selections. And it is pretty accurate, which means you can quickly make selections without having to scroll through menus. If you're into voice controls, you can use the microphone built into the remote to jump to different apps, change the volume, and do more. And apart from LG's BenQ, this projector uses Google Assistant to set up the Google ecosystem. And with this, you'll be able to control the projector and your smart home devices. Onto its specs, it offers a massive 4K resolution, along with 4K upscaling and support for HDR10. And it uses a 3CH laser, which is an upgrade from dual laser projectors, and it can cover 97% of the DCI P3 color space. Last here on our list is the XGIMI H2 True. This H2 True is a 1920 by 1080p projector which will project an image up to 300 inches. Unlike the H1, it has an automatic lens cap cover and an automatic keystone. And along with that, it adds a motion compensation for fast action video, and it uses Bluetooth and dual band Wi-Fi to receive transmissions. It also has an HDMI 1 ARC or HDMI 2 port if you are obsessed with perfect images. And with an LAN port and a 3.5mm headphone jack, you can get into an immersive audio and connection experience. Its sophisticated MEMC system can create a silky smooth video, and it will also reduce input latency by 30%. It has detailed colors and ultra-sharp contrast that can bring eye-popping realism and total immersion. In all, if you're looking to hook up your home theater setup, this XGIMI H2 can be an ideal option. It really can be worth the expenditure if you admire an immersive experience on a wide screen. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.